Do you dread washing your camper like I do? Well, I've got a tool that's going to change that. Today I'm going to be washing the camper with this new car wash kit. In this video, I'm going to show you what comes in the box, demo it for you, and give you my honest opinion. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are my own. This head is a very thick plastic, and the pole is metal, like a very kind of thick aluminum maybe, or I don't think it's steel. I think it's probably aluminum. This part does have an odor, so I would recommend opening this outside. Inside the box, you're going to have the telescopic pole, the really thick brush. You're going to have the attachment for windows. This is like a, almost like the ones that you see at the car wash with the sponge and then the squeegee. There are 3 heads. This head here, you can put it on the pole or you can just use it on your hand. And it has these really nice microfiber like fingers. And then they also include a microfiber mitt that does have a textured side on this side, like a textured sponge. And they include 2 microfiber cloths. This is incredible. So you have 3 head options, a mitt, 2 microfiber cloths, and the pole. In order to extend this pole, you just have to lift up on this piece here. And you can see that I have extended it. It extends even further. This is extremely long. Our camper has not been washed all winter, and it was really, really dirty. I used some scrubbing bubbles, and then I had a bucket of just plain clean water, as well as this tool. And it took me less than 5 minutes to clean this one front side of the camper. Which means if I was to do the whole thing, it would probably take me about 30 minutes for the bottom half, not including the roof. I am incredibly impressed. If you are looking for something that's going to make washing your vehicles or camper much easier, I would highly recommend getting yourself one of these tools. That took less than 5 minutes and it looks fantastic.